Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a long awaited video in that I took forever to do this. I really wanted to do this finish 20 in year 2020. I have way too much makeup. I'm sure a lot of you can level with me on that. So I recently hauled in January. I did do some Sephora hauling. When that comes in, I'll do a whole video. I didn't haul for maybe like 2 years. I hardly bought anything, but my collection has so much makeup. I did not buy a lot, but I want to use up, so I decided I'm going to jump finish 20 in 2020. If you like to see the products I chose, let's dive in. Just want to say a quick thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Roanna, and this video in particular, I'm hoping to share with you the products I hope to finish this year. A lot of full-size products, new products. So please join me in this journey and my for this year. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Chose mainly full-size new items. I did choose 22 items here, out of which I'm hoping to finish 20. The reason I chose, actually there's 23 items. 2 of them I pulled together as one, but it's really 23 items. I need to finish 20, and if possible all 23. I'll share with you in the order of application. This is my Ultra First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. I've actually been loving this, so you will see this in a favorite videos coming up soon. But yeah, I love this I started using this year. This is where it's at. I'm using natural lighting, sorry if it's blinding you. This is product number 1. Then we have primer. This is new altogether. Now my current primer, I have 2 that I'm using that will finish very soon, hopefully by the end of February, and so this will start in March. I know I kind of put myself set back, but wanted to finish those rather than jump straight into this. Then we have foundations. We have 2. We have the Wet n Wild foundation, and I started using this I think late December. I love this. I have like 3 or 4 in this exact color. I know they say you shouldn't buy backups so a foundation they go bad, but those are new, haven't touched them. Working on this, and I'm hoping to finish it. This is an old foundation. I bought this thing sometime last year, and this is 308. Oh, the color for this one is Desert Beige. This is 308 Sun Beige, and I don't know where I'm at with these, but I'll mark it as soon as this video is finished. But I have not used much from this. Yeah, so this is about here for foundation. And foundations generally would last me about 4 months before. Now, one foundation can last me almost an entire year, because I was not wearing, well, last year and the year before I was not wearing a lot of makeup, but now I've been taking note to wear makeup more often. Then I have this. This is the Kat Von D. This is not a KVD. I know it's controversial. I'm trying to, you know, just use up some of these things that I've had. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in Warm. Totally new. Opened this just like 2 or 3 days ago. Wore it to D first time. So full product. And concealers can take me an entire year. So I have a couple little what I'll call cheat products that I know I will finish, and this is one of them. I think it's just one other that I have. This is my Wet n Wild Press powder. Love this. I have like 6 powders that are new that I bought because I love this thing. This is in tan. I have tan and medium because I fluctuate. I've hit pan. This I think was one of the first pans that I hit for the year. If not first, it will be second. And this is where I'm at. I don't think I need to repress it as yet, but I may very well have to do that soon. Then we have another powder. This is my Sephora Mineral powder. Recently opened it to use it, and it is in the color tan. So hoping this has 8.5 grams of product. I pulled this old powder out as my MAC Golden Refine bronzer. Yes, this is what it looks like. Have not used this in ages. Sometime because I got dark over the holidays, went lots of beaches and stuff like that, all the good stuff. I realized that my foundation don't always match me, so I need to bronze up, and so I'm using that. Then we have this Estee Lauder blush in Light Snow. It says a see-through blush, and it does just give you a nice flush. I love this. I wore this all of last year, all of last year. And I'm putting it here because I need to finish this, and I looked through my collection to pull things that I liked, but also pull things that are old and that has been there a while. My very first Wet n Wild blush, but I love this. I've hit pan on it, hence why I'm putting it in this project, because I would never think of that I'll actually finish a highlighter. I'm not somebody who wears a lot of highlighter, but here we are, hoping to finish it, right? So this is where it's at, and this color is called Precious Petals. And I do have 3 others, not this exact one, but 3 others. Last 2 face products would be this Ulta Beauty Moisturizing Primer Spray. Can you guys see that? And these are new, never used them. And this is their matte satin spray. Currently working on another satin spray to finish, and then I'll start these. If I realize that that one is not finishing sometime in March, I will drop that and start, well, not drop it, but interchange and start using up that. Then I pulled 2 nail polishes, and my nails look tacky but I need to do for my polish, but I've been trying to use up my polishes, and the 2 that I chose are small, mini size. This is from Sephora. This one is called Walk on the Wild Side, and I am right here, so like 2/3 more to go. And I don't want to tell you all how many times I've worn this since last November to now, and this thing isn't budging. I'm kind of like scared even though I chose it. And then this one is from Ciati. It's a mini, and this is in All Aglow. I love this color. I used it for the holidays, used it for my birthday, and I just thought this is another like cheap product that I do think that will finish. That's my biggest category, was face. I pull a lot of face things because I generally, if I can't do my eyes, I will do face. I do have a lot of lip products because I own a lot of lip products. 2 lip liners, and these are new. This one I swatched and I wore it like once or twice. Used it today. This is Bordeaux from Milani. And this one is from Ulta, and it is in Bloom. I have 2 of these actually. So, and I think I also have 2 of these. So, lip products, we have this MAC lipstick. It's a cream sheen in Naked Proof, and that's what I have over that Milani lipstick. I was going to put 2 other lip liners that are almost finished in this project, but I mean as cheat items, but it's like no. Then I have another another lipstick. This is matte. It's a matte finish flat out fabulous from MAC. I've had these forever, so I want to use up a lot of my MAC lipsticks because they were the very first mid-range other than drugstore makeup items that I did purchase. This Jefree Star in Gemini. So you can see I've used it. This is not new, but I've used it and it's here. I did put this in some water to actually see where I'm at with it, but I use this a lot already for the year. It's really nice nude. I actually really like it, but I need to use that out. Then we have this MAC Tinted lip conditioner. This is so old. This is from the Hello Kitty line. Yeah, you guys, I know someone told me I shouldn't be using it, but I love it. And yeah, I'm gonna be using this thing out. I love this thing, but I need to, why haven't I finished all that? I don't know. Then I have 3 eyeliners. 2 everyday colors. This is like a black. It's a technakhol liner from e.l.f. What color is this? Smooth Maneuvers, I think is what it's called. It's like a black. It's a charcoal black. It's not fully black. And then this brown from Jordana is their 12-hour made to last liquid pencil and espresso last. Love these. I bought a bunch of these when I was in Trinidad in a whole bunch of colors. If I can find that whole video, I will link it in the description box. And then this NYX pencil in Azure, which has some shimmer in it. Oh my goodness, what did I do here? Yeah, it has some shimmer in it. But I thought this would be a nice fun color for summer to wear, and these are everyday colors. The funny thing is I've sharpened this pencil and I've used it like 4 times, and this is where it's at still. So it's going to be a challenge. But that's the 23 items that I will be using this year, and hopefully I finished up all 23. If not, I'm aiming for at least 20 items. We'll do updates maybe monthly if possible, maybe every 2 months, as time goes by, and let you guys know if I, as it goes. But good luck to everyone else who is doing this, and if you are doing this and don't have a video, let me know like what products you're using, any tips or tricks that that's working for you. I definitely need all the encouragement I can get. So until my next video, thank you guys for watching.